Hi there, students. Picky, picky, an adjective. Pickily, the adverb. So picky, finicky, particular, fastidious, demanding that everything is exactly right, difficult to please. Somebody who only likes a very small range of things, very demanding or exacting about trifles, about unimportant small things. So somebody who's picky is extremely fussy. Now, you could have a picky eater, for example. A picky eater will only eat a very narrow range of things. Okay, so this child is a very picky eater. Yeah, it's very careful about accepting what it will eat. Okay, so to be very picky, hard to please. As I get older, I become more and more picky about the food that I will buy, about what's inside it. But to me, this makes sense. Okay, somebody who is picky is very careful about choosing only what they like. But normally, if you use picky, it could be positive, but very often we use this word picky in a negative way. Somebody who is overly fussy, who is overly selective. Things have to be absolutely perfect and in exactly the way that they want. So to be choosy, to be fussy, to be very particular. I think picky normally it's slightly disapproving, but it doesn't have to be. A picky eater only likes a very few things to eat, and therefore they are difficult to please. Yeah, he'll only eat chicken nuggets and chips. He's a very picky eater. If things are difficult or you don't have much money, you can't afford to be picky. Yeah, you have to take what you can get. Okay, so being picky, being fussy, insisting that things are done in a particular way, being excessively meticulous. Things have got to be done in exactly the right way. So if you're exacting about details, he's very fussy about the clothes that he wears. I think we all know that some children can be very picky eaters. Even I was a picky eater, but nowadays I eat just about anything. So picky, fastidious, fussy, particular, somebody who's critical, somebody who's always cavilling. Yeah? Okay, so picky. If you're picky, it's not a good thing if somebody calls you picky. Yeah? I'm very picky about the way the things in my wardrobe are laid out, but it's my wardrobe, so I can do it. Yeah, he pickily demanded that the knives be put in order of size. So fussy, demanding that to have things exactly right. You're very, very, very choosy, but you go over the top, and normally it's for things that aren't really that important. So fussy and hard to please, I think, is the idea of somebody who's picky. Yeah, is too careful about choosing or accepting things. I think they go over the top. So a picky eater, a faddish eater, a fussy eater, somebody who dislikes many different types of food. If somebody's very particularly or very fussy, they're picky. Yeah, they only like particular things and not others, and they're very difficult to please. He's very fussy, demanding, and difficult. Okay, so formality, picky. He's a very picky person. I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. Use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation, use in a semi-formal writing, but perhaps not something that is very, very formal in itself. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from to pick, meaning to select. To choose, and that's the idea. You're very choosy. You're very picky. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Picky.